Hello and welcome to Nature with Alik. Today we're going to be making beautiful dragon fruit lemonade with a tasty mint. Okay, I tried this drink at event, Dragon Fruit Moor Park event when Eyal's wife did the beautiful drink, and I really enjoyed it. And basically we harvested the biggest lavender dragon fruit just a week ago, and that was 3.2 pounds. And I'm so happy that we have neighbors with lots of lemon, and we bought the mint at Trader Joe, and we're going to be doing lemonade today. Okay, so simple steps. We're going to squeeze the lemon, and I'll do this very fast process. Just turn my squeezer, and here we are. Okay, here we go. We made the lemonade, so it's a beautiful lemon with filtered water. We added sugar, and now we're going to be adding beautiful lavender dragon fruit, which makes additional flavor to it and color. So that's going to make a beauty of this amazing drink. Okay, so lavender red is very juicy, really flavored fruit, and that's going to be really making the magic. Okay, we're just gonna mix it. Here we go. We'll make a nice, beautiful drink right now. Look how pretty it is. Nice. Dragon fruit lemonade, and we're gonna add a magic ingredient, a mint. Okay, it's gonna make a flavor. Here we go. Just wash it a little bit. I'm gonna add here, and I'm gonna add as well in the container. Here we go. Okay, mix it. Okay, cheers, enjoy. I love it. Happy holidays.